Bakit minsan po mataas ang BP pag low carb? So, maraming ano po dyan, no? Follow-up questions, kapatid. Unang-unang tanong, gaano ka nakatagal naglo-low carb? Kasi kung bago lang po tayo naglo-low carb, hindi natin pwedeng i-expect na yung BP natin mag-normalize agad, lalo na kung matagal na tayong merong high blood pressure, right? You cannot undo in a matter of like 2 weeks, kapatid, or 3 weeks, ang isang bagay na naandyan na ng dekada-dekada. So that's the first question. Gaano katagal? Number 2 na question ko sa'yo, ano yung quality po ng paglo-low carb mo? Ano po ba yung inyong ginagawa? Are you like slowly easing yourself into the lifestyle, or are you doing clean, strict low carb, or parang casual low carb lamang po? Kasi the more casual that you're doing it, the longer it will take for you to reverse yung inyong mga kondisyon. Number 3, ano yung mga gamot na iniinom po ninyo? Baka kasi po meron kayong iniinom na gamot that contributes doon sa pagtaas din ng pressure. Number 4, ano yung mga iba pong pang medical conditions? Kasi yung blood pressure problem, yung mga increase in blood pressure, it can be because of lifestyle for sure, but there can be other diseases that can be causing it. So for example, kung meron kang endocrine problem, like other contributing factors, then it'll be harder na pababain yung iyong BP. Number 5, kumusta yung iyong electrolyte balance? Kasi kung masyado kang nagkakaroon ng electrolyte imbalance, that can lead sa pagtaas ng iyong presyon. So those are the few things to consider po dyan. Ask yourself those questions and tingnan po ninyo kung ano yung dahilan kung bakit nga ba hindi pa rin talaga bumababa yung BP. Maybe it's just a matter of time. Maybe you haven't been doing this for a long period of time. Maybe it's other medical conditions that you have na maaaring mag-contribute sa pagtaas ng BP. Maybe sa quality ng paglo-low carb mo. Maybe it's electrolyte imbalance, right?